Hello guys! So it's me Ken and welcome back to my channel. So if bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please do not forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Naa kay plano mag-dip ed goals, why or why not? Sir Love nimo mag-vlog. So, si sikreto nga nabuo ang awas. So, yung sunod na tanong ay galing kay Ma'am Rovelyn Ranan. So, yung tanong niya, ngano mag-awas-awas imong kadato, sir? Kamo lagi gina akong question sa Dude Ma'am Ranan. Kasi nung pinanganak ako, napakayaman na namin. Carla! Ito kasi marami kaming properties, no? Marami kaming mga businesses. So, kaya nag-awas-awas yung yaman namin. So, yung next question natin ay galing kay Ma'am Ranan din. Kang Ma'am Rovelyn Ranan. Kung saan pag-move on og limot sa isa ka tao nga imong gigugma. Nahiragid ang question, no? May pinagdadaanan si Ma'am Ranan. So, for this question, Ma'am Ranan, so I guess I already answered it to you. I'm not trying to sound like an expert, but my answer to this question is really acceptance, no? Learn to accept things. So, if yung taong minamahal mo ay may mahal ng iba, so of course, you have to let go of that person. And then, kung saan siya masaya, dapat magiging masaya ka na din. And then, if yung relationship ninyo is hindi na nag-work out, so, just don't dwell on it. Just move forward and then just accept the fact that things will not be the same anymore. So, why dwell on the things that didn't work? Wow! And then, yung sunod na tanong natin ay galing kay Beverlyn Roselio. So, yung tanong niya ay, nganong pag mag-away ang mag-uyab kay bulag man tayo? Unsa di ay dapat buhaton, ha? So, for this question, hindi naman lahat. Diba? Hindi naman lahat. So, siguro yung mga immature, so, yung mga immature pa lang yung mga relationship na kunting away lang, tapos hiwalay agad. Pero, if both of you are already matured, so if nag-away kayo or may hindi pagkakaintindihan, so of course, you will just talk about it lang naman. And then, you will not say something like bulag na, nor maghihiwalay na kayo. So, yung sunod na tanong natin ay galing kay Gerard Costaños, my former grade 10 Peace student here in Golden Heritage. So, yung tanong niya ay, nganong wala ako nimo gitugtan na mag-class president sa una, sir? Ha, 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 ha. So, with regards to this question, Costaños, kasi when you were still in grade 9, correct me if I'm wrong, ha? Correct me if I'm wrong. Di ba yung nung grade 9 ka, you were the president naman. You were the class president. So that is why even though you won in that election, but I decided to make you as the vice president instead of class president. Di ba si Edcas yung in-appoint ko na magiging class president and then ikaw yung magiging vice president. No hard feelings. I'm not saying that I don't have trust sa imo ha, but I just wanted to have someone else to have that responsibility since you had that one naman when you were still in grade 9. So, yan yung answer ko, Gerard. So, hanggang ngayon naman, may hinanain ka pa dito. Tarnan. This question is from Victoria Wrights. Who is your happiness? So, to be honest, so, my happiness is my family. No, I guess all of us naman siguro. No, our family is always there for us naman. No, kaya nga, every now and then, lagi ko sila pinagdadasal. Even if wala kami masyadong pera, as long as all of them are healthy, I'm already contented and satisfied with that. Yung Sunod na tanong natin ay kay Michelle Sasil. So yung tanong niya ay unsay tips sir para mo blind? Diyan lang po yung question. So I don't know lang ga, basta for me, in my case, it just comes out naturally. Charlag. Natural lang yung mag-awas-awas. Next question. So yung last question is from Jessa Marie Orquilia. So yung tanong niya, sir, except for teaching, unsa pa'y gusto nimo buhaton sa imong life, sir? So, aside from teaching, what else do I want to do in my life? So ito na yung ginagawa ko ngayon, diba? Aside from teaching, I'm also vlogging, I'm making contents for my YouTube channel. Guys, so I'm already done answering your questions. So thank you for watching, guys.